Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here
Salam.
we work given our journal result under the title The Commitment Behind Harmony, a study of the quality of internal relationship in the KPWMY Student Association. And firstly, me as the first speaker will present the first part, and it is the introduction. Student Association is an organization that plays an important role in supporting the academic and social development of its members. In the context of the Student Association of Department of Communication at Broadcasting Islam, or KPI, internal relations are one of the fundamental aspects that support the continuity of the activities and the success of the organization. However, challenges often arise in maintaining the quality of harmonious internal relation amidst the diverse character and background of its member. Organization commitment theory developed by Mayer and Allen Offer, the main dimension of affective continuity and normative that are relevant to evaluate the quality of internal relation in organization. Analysis of this dimension can help understand the level of emotional attachment, awareness of ongoing benefits, and moral obligation of members to the organization. Therefore, this research was conducted to identify the quality of internal relation in the KP Student Association through this theoretical framework. Problem formulation. How is the quality of internal relation in the Student Association of the Islamic Communication and Broadcasting Department based on Mayer and Allen's organizational commitment theory? Theoretical foundation. This research is based on the organizational commitment theory of Mayer and Allen, which explain individual attachment to the organization in three main dimensions. In the first, effective commitment. This dimension includes members' emotional attachment to the organization. Members who have active commitment tend to feel emotional connected and motivated to keep contributing to the organization. And two, continuous commitment. This dimension refers to an awareness of the cost or risks involved in leave the organization. This commitment is often rooted in member rational consideration of the advantage and disadvantage of remaining part of the organization. And last, normative commitment. This dimension is related to members' sense of moral obligation to remain in the organization. This commitment is often formed due to the collective value and norms prevailing in the organization. This theory is relevant to understand the quality of internal relationship in the KPI Student Association, as each dimension reflect factor and influence the dynamic of relationship between members. By analyzing each dimension, this research aims to provide a comprehensive picture of the factor that influence the harmony of internal relation. And next, methodology.
Okay, the methodology. First of all, the type of research. This research uses a qualitative approach with a case study method. This approach was chosen because the focus of the research was to explore the phenomenon of internal relations in the Study Associations of the Islamic Communication and Broadcasting Department, or KPI, in depth and contextually based on organizational commitment theory. And then research subject criteria. There is four. One, first of all, active members of the KPI Student Association who have been members for at least 1 year. Second, having experience in organizational activities that involve intensive interaction with other members. Third, willing to provide information in an honest and corporative manner. And last, consists of core officers and ordinary members to obtain diverse perspective. Next, data collective technique. First, in-depth interview used to explore informants, views, experience, and perceptions regarding internal relations in the organization. Second, participatory observation. Researchers participate in organizational activities to observe interaction between members directly. And last, documentation. There is collecting relevant documents such as meeting minutes, activity reports, and organizational archive to obtain additional relevant data. Next, data analysis technique. First, data collection. There is organization data from interviews, observation, and documentation. Second, data coding, giving code to relevant data based on the dimension of organizational commitment, which is there is three: effective, continuity, and normative. Third, theme identification, clustering the code into key themes that reflect the quality of internal relation. And last, data interpretation, which is developing in-depth interpretation of explain the relationship between the dimensions of organizational commitment and the quality of internal relations. Next. And then research credibility. One, there is data triangulation, comparing the results of interviews, observation, and documentations to ensure consistency of information. Second, member check, asking informants for confirmation of the accuracy of the data and interpretation made by the researcher. And third, audit trail, documenting the entire research process in detail so that it can be audited by other parties if necessary. And last, researcher's reflection. The researcher maintains objectivity and tries to avoid bias during data collection and analysis. Okay, next, result and discussion.
In the next result and discussion, first, effective commitment. Finding many respondents feel the relationship between members was a close source of feeling like second family and connected because of the same vision and mission. Next, supportive work atmosphere and a sense of mutual support where the main reason members state, for example, Arifah's statement, friend often provide support and makes me feel comfortable. Activities such as ICOFAS, upgrading, and KKID are considered to strengthen the sense of community. Members with high emotional attachment to contribute activity and stay longer. This is in the line with the theory that emotional feeling increase individual commitment and organization, previous research by Fauzia and Ramadan 2023. So the harmonious relationship in value-based communities can be achieved through good interpersonal communication, which aligns with the team finding. Emotional support that organization members receive face and environment conducive to their increased engagement. Next. Next is continuance commitment. By this, many members feel that organization benefit
such as skill development, financial management, design, and leadership, are very significant for their future careers. For example, Fatika said, I understand more about budgeting, which will very useful in the working world. However, some respondents feel trapped by responsibility, such as Didi who said, if leave who will visit me. Member with high awareness of benefit that's two persist distinct challenge, such time constraints or internal conflict. This suggests to the importance of strategies to emphasize organization benefit to keep members motivated. For example, Fauzia 2022, 2000, 2020 emphasizes the importance of communication is a very basic organization to support individual and collective growth. In the context, member perceived benefits become the main driver to stay engaged in the organization. The split facing challenges such as time or internal conflicts. Next is normative commitment. Findings the majority of respondents demonstrate a sense of moral responsibility towards the continuity of the organization. Reja states there is a moral responsibility to learn responsibility even though there are many twists and turns. Formal rules such the obligation of the formator to stay out so reforms commitment. Assign a moral responsibility to each member to contributing even if not all aspects of the organization meet expectation. This value is important to organization regeneration. According to Fauzia and Jakarsi, 2023, active interpersonal communication play an important role in strengthening moral character in value-based organization. In student organization, collective values such moral responsibility ensures sustainable regeneration. Next is conclusion. The research evaluates the quality of internal relationship in the KPI student organization at Muhammadiyah University of Jakarta. Based on Mayer and Ellis organization commitment theory, the research finding relevant. First, effective commitment. First, emotional connection between members, support work atmosphere, and support between members are key to creating high emotional environment. Activities such ICOPS and trading have proven to strengthen the sense of community. Second, continuous commitment. Awareness of organizational benefits such technical and non-technical skill development, as well as future career opportunities. Encourage members to participate in challenges. And last, normative commitment. Collective value and moral responsibility encourage members to maintain the continuity of the organization. The rules and system of the organization also strengthen their commitment. And the results of this study are consistent with previous research and emphasize the importance of interpersonal communication, collective support, and organization value in the strength internal relationship. Overall, this study provides useful insight for informing internal relations and of student organization through communication approach and strengthening member on commitment. Okay, thank you.
That's our presentation about the commitment behind harmony, a study of the quality of internal relationship in the KPWMY Student Association. Hopefully, the result of this research can make a positive contribution to the development of student organization in the future. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.